Welcome to my channel Believe in Christ.
Proverbs 11 chapter. The Lord hates people who use dishonest scales. He is happy with the people who use honest weights. People who are proud will be soon disgraced. It is wiser to be modest. If you are good, you are guided by the honesty. People who cannot be trusted are destroyed by their own dishonesty. Riches will do you no good on the day you face it, but honesty can save your life. Honesty makes a good man's life easier, but a wicked man will cause his own downfall. Righteousness rescue the honest man, but someone who cannot be trusted is trapped by their own greed. When wicked man dies, his hope dies with him. Confidence placed in riches comes to nothing. Righteousness are protected by the trouble. It comes to the wicked instead. You can be ruined by the talk of your godless people, but the wisdom of the righteous can save you. A city with happy when the honest people have a good fortune. There are joyful shouts when the wicked men die. The city becomes great when the righteous men give it their blessing. But a city is brought to ruin by the words of wicked. It is foolish to speak scornful of others. If you are sensible, you will keep quiet. No one who gossips cannot be trusted with a secret. You can put confidence in someone who is trustworthy. A nation will fail if it has no guidance. Many advisors means more security. If you promise to pay a stranger's debit, you regret it, you are better off you don't get involved. A gracious lady is respected, but a woman without virtue is disgraced. A lazy man with will never have money, but an aggressive man will get rich. You do yourself a favor when you are kind. If you are cruel, you are only hurt yourself. Wicked people do not really gain anything, but if you do what is right, you are certainly to be rewarded. Anyone who is determined to right will live, but anyone who insists on the doing wrong will die. The Lord hates the evil-minded people, but loves those who do right. Who can be sure that evil men will be punished, but righteous men will escape? Beauty in a woman without good judgment is like a gold ring in the pig's snout. What good people want always results in good. When wicked they want everything. Everyone is angry. Some people spend their money freely, still growing richer. Others are cautious, yet grow poorer. Be generous, you will be prosperous. Help others, you will be. People curse a man who hoards grain, but waiting for a higher price, they praise the one who puts it up sale. If your goals are good, you will be respected. But if you are looking for trouble, that is what you will get. Those who depend on their wealth will fall like the leaves of autumn, but righteous will prosper like the leaves of summer. Man who brings trouble on his family will have nothing at the end. Foolish men will always be servants to wise. Righteous gives life, but violence takes it away. Those who are good will be rewarded here on earth, so you can be sure that wicked and sinful will be punished. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share and comment to our video and give your support.